Geiranger Fjord, a jewel of Norway. Nestled in the heart of Norway's dramatic landscapes, Geiranger Fjord is a place of stunning natural beauty, where majestic cliffs meet crystal-clear waters. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this fjord is a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature and is one of Norway's most visited and photographed destinations. Its breathtaking scenery and rich cultural history make it a must-see for travelers and nature enthusiasts alike. Geiranger Fjord is located in Møre-og-Romsdal County, in the southwestern part of Norway. It is a branch of the larger Storfjord, stretching approximately 15 kilometers in length. The fjord's steep walls plunge directly into waters that reach depths of up to 260 meters. This dramatic topography was carved by glacial activity during the Ice Age, as massive glaciers slowly sculpted the landscape, leaving behind the characteristic U-shaped valleys and towering cliffs. Surrounding the fjord are snow-capped mountains that rise as high as 1,700 meters. The lush greenery during the warmer months, combined with the pristine blue waters, creates a striking contrast that changes with the seasons. In winter, the fjord transforms into a serene, snow-covered wonderland. Geiranger Fjord, along with the nearby Fjord, was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2005. This status recognizes not only its unparalleled natural beauty, but also its cultural significance. The area around the fjord has been inhabited for centuries, and its steep hillsides are dotted with farms that tell the story of human resilience in a harsh yet beautiful environment. The UNESCO designation also underscores the importance of preserving this fragile ecosystem. Efforts are made to ensure sustainable tourism practices so future generations can continue to enjoy this natural treasure. Geiranger Fjord is famous for its waterfalls, each with its own unique story and allure. The most notable include the Seven Sisters. This series of 7 streams cascades gracefully down the mountainside, resembling a veil of water. Legend has it that the 7 sisters are dancing while their suitor, located across the fjord, continues to court them. Geiranger Fjord is a natural masterpiece that captures the essence of Norway's rugged beauty and rich heritage. Its towering cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and serene waters offer an unforgettable experience for those who visit. Whether you're hiking to a historic farm, cruising beneath the Seven Sisters, or simply soaking in the view from a scenic overlook, Geiranger Fjord promises to leave you in awe. This jewel of Norway is not just a place to see, but a destination to experience and cherish for a lifetime. Please comment which places you want to see in the next video. Thanks for watching.